Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno 5 Lite, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first go to the settings and go to the sound and vibration section. Right now scroll down with your finger, and here we got the notification sound settings. That's marimba. Right now, if you want, you can change it by swapping here on the tone tunes. Also you can just add here your custom sound. Just you can select it from your files on your device. Also get here the default notification sounds. For example, I'll go in with the receive one, and now just go back, and as can you see right now, my notification sounds, it has changed successfully. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.